Word to one, have you ever struggled with becoming more disciplined? You have something you want to accomplish, but every time you start, you find yourself giving up. And you say to yourself, I'll be able to keep going to the gym. I'll be able to lose this weight. I'll be able to live this dream if I just have more discipline. What's up, it's Gene. This word to be great. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to become more disciplined. Now, if you have something better to do, maybe go and watch a cat video or some drama online about a celebrity that you feel is more important than you becoming more disciplined, I want to encourage you to do that. But if you're serious about living your dream, if you're serious about becoming more disciplined, I'm going to share 3 ways that you can have more discipline in your life so you can realize your dream. 1. To become more disciplined, it starts with commitment. And I'm not talking about any commitment. I'm talking about a wholehearted commitment. See, the mistake that most of us make is we'll go after a goal, a dream, but we'll do it half-heartedly. We'll tell ourselves we'll do just enough, just in case it fails, we don't have regret. But the truth is, you cannot realize a dream or a goal unless you put your whole heart into it. You got to wake up every morning committed that you're going to do everything you can to make it happen. See, there's no way you can become more disciplined if you have a half-heart into the thing you're doing. Because anytime you get a moment not to do the thing you say you're going to do, you're not going to do it. You see, self-discipline is doing the productive thing that you said you're going to do despite how you feel that's going to lead to your desired success. And you will not have that type of discipline if you do not commit yourself wholeheartedly. So the first thing you must do is be wholeheartedly committed. 2, put your dream first. See, the mistake that we make is we put other people's dream first. You may be at a job, you're working very hard on that job, but you have to realize that that job that you're working on, you're building somebody else's dream. So therefore, you have to put your dream first. When I was working in corporate America, I used to have to be at work at 9 a.m. So what I did is I got up at 3 a.m., went to the gym, and when I came back, I worked on my communication skills because I knew I wanted to be a professional speaker. I want to be an author. So therefore, I put my dream first. See, a lot of us, we don't do that. You tell yourself you have a dream to accomplish in your life, but you get up and you put somebody else's dream first. And as long as you do that, you will never realize your dream because your discipline is more focused on somebody else's dream, somebody else's agenda. But in order for you to become more disciplined, you have to put your own dream first. 3, stay committed even without support. See, right now you see me in this auditorium, and I come in here at night to work on my public speaking skills. And the reason I'm doing that is because I have a goal to be the best speaker I could possibly be. But that's not going to happen if I'm not committed, even when I don't have support. See, right now in this auditorium, this represents how your dream is going to be. When you start going after with all your heart, you're not going to have people clapping for you. You're not going to have people validating you. So you have to clap for yourself. You have to validate yourself and stay committed without support. See, a lot of us, we want other people to validate us. We want people to cheer us on. But if you want your dream to become a reality, you got to have the discipline to stay committed to your dream even when you have no support. So I want to encourage you to commit yourself to that dream. Tell yourself every day, you're going to work on that dream even when people don't support you. You're going to work on that dream even when people don't believe in you. Because by you working on that dream and staying committed without support, it's going to give you the strength to sustain that dream. These are ways to become more disciplined. And I want to encourage you to take what we talked about in this video and apply it to your life. That vision inside of you was given to you. That dream, that goal. But the only way it's going to become a reality is you have to be more disciplined. So discipline yourself and go after your dream because you are worthy to be great. Worthy one. Are you tired of feeling stuck, lost, and unfulfilled? And you ready to start taking responsibility for achieving your greatness so you can take control of your life? Click the link below and get my premium ebook, Worthy to be Great, that is filled with the practical principles that allow me to transform from a 9-to-5 cubicle slave to a disciplined man, consistently building my dream, and I promise you they can help you do the same. With the premium ebook, you will get 2 bonus programs. my 22 video program, How to Build Self-Discipline to Achieve Your Greatness, as well as my 30 Days of Self-Discipline program. Both are filled with self-assessment worksheets and activities that will help you hold yourself accountable as you build the life you want. If you're serious about taking control of your life, get the Word to Be Great premium ebook. If you act today, I'm also going to throw in the audio book, and you will get all this value for the limited low price of $47.